Hi, welcome to Joe Thing Vlog. So today I'm going to be doing some jerk chicken wrap. So stay tuned. Alright, so now that's gonna stir our chicken. Alright, so inside here, this is the stuff that I'm gonna be using in the wrap. I have some green sweet peppers, some carrots, some onion, and a piece of chopped up scotch bonnet pepper. I just a small amount of the scotch bonnet pepper because I don't want it to be too spicy, and also we're gonna be using some sweet corn. so after your chicken and the filling that you're gonna use in the wrap is finished, you're gonna set it aside to put inside the tortilla wrap. Alright, so you place the wrap flat like so, and those are the filling that I'm gonna be putting in the wrap, and I might use some toothpick to hold it, and also gonna be using some cheese as well. So you just tightly roll the wrap together and tuck in both ends of the wrap, and I also stick a toothpick inside it to hold it together. So this is the pot that I previously had my chicken and the stuffing in, that I've washed and preheated and add some butter to it. Now I'm gonna be placing the wraps inside of this to get a bit of golden on both sides.